Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to TCS L&T Essential Joining Survey and Hiring related updates. TCS team is sending the joining survey to candidate and TCS NQT result is released. You have to apply for the job opportunities, process ongoing. L&T hiring workflow 23 to 21 batch, essential 3 April joining queries. Let's start the video. This all videos are for all of you. Like and share the video with your friends. This type of mail is got by candidates and this is related to TCS Explore.support. Dear candidate, hope you are doing well. This is survey to know readiness to join TCS based on below criteria. Ready to join any location. Location change is not possible for next 2 years and joining date cannot be rescheduled. Survey will expire on March 2, 2023. So if you are waiting for your onboarding and the TCS joining, so TCS team is sending the joining survey according to the current requirements. Means the process is ongoing, and if you not received your onboarding mail, so you have to, if you not received your joining mail, so you have to wait for some time because the process is ongoing. Okay, so basically TCS NQT result is released and candidates got the scorecard as they got the 60 percentage. Some candidates got the 80 percentage. So there are a lot of videos on our channel that is related how to apply for jobs through the TCS NQT score. Okay, and I will also make one separate video that is related to this, but the TCS NQT result is announced. You can go to the portal and you have to update your profile first, and then basically you can apply for the jobs and they will also share the job opportunity. So this is related to the Larsen and Turbo update. Basically the hiring is for the 22, 21 and 23 batch. I already updated on our channel. This is the hiring video. So basically this is the process that is related to HR screening to hiring manager screening, pre-assessment test, interview 1 and documentation, salary fitment. So this is related to process. So it is posted on 24 February and if it is open, so you can easily apply for this opportunity because there is no 60 percentage criteria. You can easily apply. Okay, and candidates are asking lot of queries that is related to the essential 3 April joining. So basically if you received the call, okay, if you received the call, so I suggest you have to wait for the official mail. Okay, and if you not received the call, okay, if you not received the call and you receive the 3 April joining, so पहली यहाँ पर मैं आपको यही कहूंगा कि पहली बार में ही आप इसे एक्सेप्ट कर लें, बिकॉज अगर यहाँ से आपने रीशेड्यूल करने की कोशिश की बेसिकली कि यहाँ पर हम इस डेट पर ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो फिर आगे पता नहीं होगा कि कब ज्वाइनिंग होगी. तो मैं आप सभी को यही कहूंगा कि बेसिकली इफ यू रिसीव्ड द 3 अप्रैल 2023 ज्वाइनिंग, सो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट एंड वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट प्रोसेस. एंड इफ यू रिसीव्ड द कॉल एंड यू हैव टू वेट फॉर द ऑफिशियल मेल, क्योंकि ऑफिशियल मेल ज्वाइनिंग्स का जो फेज है वो यही बताया हुआ है मार्च से अप्रैल के बीच में. मतलब आपको अप्रैल के बीच में एसेंशियल की ज्वाइनिंग्स देखने को मिलेगी. बाकी मैंने आपको विप्रो और दूसरी कंपनीज की वीडियो, कल वाली वीडियो में मैंने आपको बता दिया था कैपजेमिनी विप्रो की ऑनबोर्डिंग अपडेट से रिलेटेड. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट लेट मी नो दैट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो.